Good morning, everyone. This is a promise edit. I'll be showing you guys how to do like if you're a complete beginner editing, like editor. Sorry, you want to learn everything about editing. I know I'm not a pro in editing, but I can just tell you what you need to know in improving or in getting into edit. First of all, I would like to tell you that there are different software. Oh, sorry, not software now. I'll call it applications. This is for your mobile devices. If it is your PC or computer, you call them softwares. But this, if it's a mobile phone, then it is called applications. So there are different applications used for editing, which are InShot, CapCut, Note Video, Alight Motion, Adobe Premiere. Uh, there are many others, but the only one I know how to use very well, I will say, is InShot and CapCut. So now you want to learn about what application to start from. I'll tell you that InShot is more easier than CapCut. CapCut is more, I would say, complex than InShot. Because InShot you can just edit it in, like, you can edit it very easy, but InShot is limited to many features. InShot is limited, but they are updating the app very soon. It will have most of what CapCut have, but not up to CapCut, but it will have most of those effects CapCut have. So now InShot, for example, now you're trying to edit a video. Okay, maybe you're trying to edit something like oh, before I start, let me just start with this video. As you can see, this is a video from someone on TikTok and so on. So what you need to know about InShot, we have canvas. Canvas tells you the size of your working area. Many editors, they make use of either 4.5 or 101, or maybe if they want to make it in a cinematic mode, you can use 16 by 9, then, or you can use 4 by 3. It depends on what size you want to use, but I would say that InShot have more canvas size than CapCut, so you can choose different sizes to use for your CapCut, for sorry, for your editing video. So now we have the audio, the music. This is where you add music. Then you can choose to pick from InShot inbuilt music. These music are made from people, like from other artists. Whenever you're using the music, make sure to always refer to them, because InShot do have, like all applications, they have their pro plan. You know what's pro plan? The one you pay for. So they will give you more features that app have, like premium features that app has or have anyone. So same with CapCut and the rest. So what you need to know that now is that InShot free plan, I will not call it free plan, like the one you don't pay at all, is very open, unlike CapCut. CapCut nowadays is just, everything is just pro. So just know that before you can use CapCut, you can still use the free features, but most of all those features that you're supposed to have for free is now pro feature there. You understand? So I will advise you learning from InShot first before you upgrade to CapCut. Now these are their music, their Sunshine, Lollipops, Cash and the rest. You can use any of them, but you make sure you refer them. Maybe you use Sunshine. I know that nobody want to use this type of sound so you can still choose to use other sound and the rest. Why this part is called the extract audio from video. Maybe you see a video that has a sound that you like. I don't know what sound to play. Let me just use this type of sound. You can just pick it and you can start editing with it. Now for example, you want to mute this video, you want only this sound to be playing, you can just tap on this. Like, you know that we are in the audio category, that's why the thing is showing. For example, now the thing is in normal page now. You can just tap on audio, it will show you these things like to edit your audio. You can come to this place to reduce it, or you can increase it and denoise. But maybe you want to reduce it, then you come to this place, then you increase the volume to 200. Now it will be only the sound that will be playing. Now if you can notice now, this video is not according to the size of your canvas. Your canvas is what, 4 by 3, but your video is normal TikTok size. So that's where we come into crop. This is crop. Now we go and look for 4 by 3. Look at 4 by 3 here. You tap it and to fit the exact size of your canvas. To be honest. So that's how we do it. Why this HD? This HD is pro feature, but since you are just installing the app, they will give you 3 free uses. HD can increase the quality of your video, but there are still other applications that can increase your quality for free. So they do the same thing, they have the same function. Now what the next thing you need to know now, maybe you just want to edit now, like you want to add more clips to this video, like you want to add a clip in between these two, in the play in Jesus Christ, in between this video. In between this video, that's where the split function comes in. This split function can just split the video into 2 parts. Then you can just add a clip there, maybe something like this, or let me just add another, maybe this. Then you come here and do the same thing you did for, okay, this one. Since you already mute the clip, like you already mute the clip normally, you can just unmute it and mute clip here. You can mute, you can mute, then unmute, mute, unmute. So when you unmute it, all the videos on this place will be muted. Then you remember that since our canvas is 4 by 3, we'll still come to this place to crop it to 4 by 3, and then that is it. Now if you can see, your audio is playing. Then for example now, if your audio is not loud enough, if your audio is not loud enough, or you want it to be more loud, you can just come to that your audio, tap on this audio, then you will duplicate it. Sorry, you will copy. Duplicating will will make, like, it will double the audio, but it will put it after the end of this audio. But copy will put it on top, making it loud. That's it. So the more you copy, the more loud it gets. So the more you copy, the more loud it gets. So now look at the first one. See the difference. So there's a difference. Now I think we'll stop here, so that maybe by the next time we'll start doing some um stronger edits, like maybe an advanced edit. We'll start doing advanced edits in this app. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Thank you.